When the oil boom was at its peak, it was a very trying time for me and all my neighbors. The traffic was so bad, you had a hard time moving your equipment or your cattle. Just a trying time dealing with all the extra people that our communities were not used to that at all.
That growth was unprecedented. You know, you had our company went from $17-18 million in sales. Within 8 or 9 years, we were $195 million. Went from 25 to 30 employees up to 250. And that was all in a very short period of time. So it was really, really stressful for management at that time to work through that and to try to just keep their arms wrapped around it.
Our state has built a lot of good roads that before were adequate, but during the boom they fell apart, so they had to be rebuilt to handle the boom. And now that that's gone, we've gotten some good infrastructure roads. Hospitals have been expanded.
Our 4-H building is really nice. We have a nice community building, a lot of new businesses in town.
Over my shoulder here, we can see our new Travel Plaza Center. We will house convenience stores, diesel pumps, gas pumps, hardware, lumber, auto parts. And this is a result of basically the Bakken and the huge economic impact that the oil boom has had in this region.
It's made our farm and ranching a lot easier again. A lot less frustrating and getting a lot more done again.
You know, a lot of the infrastructure has been built, but the pipeline work is going on. There's a windmill project going on north of Tioga. There's just a lot of construction work in the oil fields. They're building storage tanks and rail facilities, so our company is benefiting from that. It's not as busy as it was 3-4 years ago, but it's a better busy. I think, you know, we're managing through this a lot easier than when it was so crazy.
I think we're a lot more efficient.
I think we're definitely a lot more efficient than we were.
The cooperative system has been here for many, many years, and it will continue to be here.
Everything we have it here now in position to where when the people come next time in a boom, we'll be definitely better able to handle it.
Yeah.